everybody, I am Stati Sehgal from class 5th G. Is this possible? Then any solid directly converted into gaseous form on heating without converting into liquid form? Come on, let's see. For this experiment, we need a serving spoon and some cubes of camphor, which is easily available in your kitchen. So let's see. I will put some camphor cubes in the serving spoon. This is the serving spoon with the cubes of camphor. Now I will heat it on the gas, but do not do this without adult supervision. I am doing this with my mother only. See, it will heat up. It will catch fire soon. See, it catch fire. You can see the fumes in the gaseous form. Fumes are gas. You can see the black one. Now let's see what will happen to the cubes. See this. Now let's see what will happen because the sound is not coming from the fire now. Oh no, fume is not left anymore. See, there is nothing, almost it's empty. See the service spoon. You just saw that solid camphor directly turned into gaseous form without converting in liquid form on heating. This shows that camphor is highly volatile. This process of converting solid directly into gaseous form without converting it into liquid on heating is called sublimation. Thank you.